how to identify the best wildlife moment easily using Aftershoot AI. So on this AI, click on create album, and from here just click on this option so you can import all the photos and videos of from the wildlife which you took. Click on import from this folder because my wildlife photo is in this folder. Once this is imported, I can choose which one of these genre is my photo from. My photo is from wildlife, so I will just choose request a genre and choose wildlife like this, and make sure this is tick marked and click on submit it, and make sure this is also filled. All right, once this both is filled, click on submit, and it's going to wait for some time and it's going to request a new genre. After the new genre is requested, it's going to be added, but for now just choose something else. Once this is selected, what you can do is go on cull, and on cull this is going to open up. Once this opens up, click on start AI culling. From here, make sure something else is selected, and over here it depends on how many photos you have. I just have less photos, so I will choose standard. Go on customize, and if you want ultra best images, make sure all three of this is selected and it's on strict. But if you want okay photo, you can go on moderate. But if you want the best of the best, you can choose strict. But you also have to remember, if you choose this, most of your photo is going to be rejected, so keep that in mind. And click on start cull, and it's going to start culling, and it's going to give you the best photos out of all of your album. So that's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.